Well, hello, beautiful people. I know you're all recovering right now, and I know it's difficult, but I am only one of the hundreds of thousands of people that go through this yearly. You're not alone. I'm not alone. I feel like we are, though, because each individual person is in their own universe, and right now, it's torn apart. I get that. I also want you to know that I'm here with you, and we're all here with you. If you need anything, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you just want to talk about things like, why is my hair so long? Why do I look like Kramer? Those things are okay to ask. I'm really okay with that. Why do I have, I don't know, so many shoes behind me? It's a problem, and I'm not going to do anything to fix it because I love shoes. So maybe I'll bring them out one of these days, and we'll just do that to kind of clean our palate, right? Get it get it back to square one, so we don't have to freak out and worry about our knees all the time. But I'm going to start this session like I do with everything, and it's to open it up to your questions. I want to know what you have to say, what you want to ask, and I will find those answers for you, and I will read the answers for you on the next video. So if you have anything you want to bring to the table from a questions perspective or what you'd like me to talk about, please do. Let me know. I'm new to this. I haven't done this before, so I think that it'd be a good opportunity for all of us to have a safe space. Maybe we can do a Zoom meeting once a month and just everybody jump on it and see how we're all doing and how everybody's progressing or what setbacks we have, what hurdles we need to jump over and things like that. Just to know that we've got each other's backs. So with that being said, enjoy your evening, enjoy your upcoming week, and we're all in this together.